This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Debbie Wilson. Charming split-level home less than 2 miles from downtown Blairsville. This south-facing 4-bedroom/3-bath home was built in 1977 and partially remodeled in 2014. Updated kitchen, newer windows, drywall, and zoned HVAC. Metal roof installed 2014-2015. LVP flooring installed in 2021. Enjoy a gas fireplace with brick surround in the living room and a pellet stove in the lower level bonus room. Large laundry area with a full bathroom and newer washer/dryer, 2025. Some furnishings stay with home. Outdoor living options include a screened porch, deck, front porch, and covered carport seating. Level lot with RV parking, 12 by 20 concrete block workshop, and 10 by 12 shed. Convenient to shopping, dining, and all Blairsville amenities. For more information,